What is your opinion on circle of life?
एंकर धमाका करता है.
You know, he can be an advertising guy, sir. Punchline inki. Karthik was your real life husband. What one thing you would want to change about him?
I wouldn't change if the fact that he's so charming, he's so handsome, he's so hot, he's so cute, he's adorable, everything at the same time.
When he asked me, sir, congratulations for the Emmy, sir. लेकिन सर वो जो दूसरा सीन जो था,
धमाका को सबसे बेहतरीन टीआरपी मिले. आई वांट टीआरपी.
We'll move to the rapid fire now, and there is something that one of you can win as well.
Yeah, कुछ है.
Hangama
It's groove.
High Life speaker, which is really cool, and
It looks cool.
Whoever comes
You're
up
matching
with
with
the
it.
best answers is going to be winning this. We will start with Karthik. Rapid fire with Karthik Aryan. What was the last dhamakedar khabar that you heard?
What was the most dhamakedar news that I heard? Dhamaka is you love Dhamaka. You just saw Dhamaka and I just heard it. And,
All right.
and you really
well,
loved
you're
it.
getting that gift.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your opinion on circle of life?
Everything comes back.
Have you ever used
What goes around comes back around.
Have you
Justin
ever-
Timberlake. Okay.
Have you ever used jo bhi kahunga sach kahunga in real life? Can you tell about it in brief?
I mean, I've always been honest to my work. I think, and I think that'll come through. Yeah.
If someone asks anchor kya hota hai and audience ko kya chahiye, how would Karthik answer that?
Okay.
क्या interaction है? मतलब क्या interaction?
The scene. Okay.
तालमेल जी.
Anchor सच सामने लाके धमाका करता है.
All right. You know, he can be an advertising guy, sir. Punchline inki. If you were to present the anchor of the year award to someone, who would that person be and why?
इस साल अर्जुन पाठक.
As an
Aspiring.
audience, how do you know if someone is reporting a news or selling a news?
I think पता लग जाता है. I mean, there's no one word about it. It's common sense आजकल सबके पास है. तो मतलब पहले से ही है, लेकिन अभी ज़्यादा ही है और समझ आता है कि कौन सी न्यूज़ फेक है और कौन सी न्यूज़ रियल है.
What is the purpose of blurbs on a news channel live feed?
Apologize. नहीं वो मेरा डायलॉग.
कई बार टू क्रिएट हेडलाइंस मैक्सिमम टाइम रियल होता है.
If you're talking to your girlfriend on a call and you come to know that she's recording that call, what are the few things that you'd refrain yourself from saying?
I would already be refraining because I was the first one who would be recording it.
फिल्म में भी बोलता है ना आपकी कॉल रिकॉर्ड हो चुकी.
All right, if Amrita Subhash were your teacher, what is that one thing you'd learn from her?
Sweet bitter. She's, I can't say that you're a bitch. But I can't say that.
No, you can't. About Amrita, not Ankita.
Oh, Amrita.
Huh.
Sweetest.
Sweetest.
Yeah, sweetest. एकदम.
All right. We'll move on to Mrunal Thakur now. What is the biggest disadvantage of being a reporter for a married lady today?
That they can't give time and can't fix their problems and always have to be at work. They always have to put a facade on their face that I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm happy.
What one quality of a reporter you think can help them become a good actor?
Actor? I don't think any reporter should become an actor because we just want the news. We don't want them to act. They should just feel. They should just be there. I mean, there's no quality as such.
So basically, anchors should not be actors.
Yes.
All right.
I think she's getting it.
If Karthik was your real life husband, what one thing you would want to change about him?
I wouldn't change if अगर change ही करना होता तो husband क्यों होता? I would accept him the way he is.
Wow. Okay.
He's definitely getting it.
Accepting it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You accept this.
If Karthik and Amrita were having an argument, who do you think will win it?
See, the thing is, Karthik will win it, but Amrita will make sure that he'll not win it. Because, you know, she is also somebody who's like, takkar barabar ki. So, yeah. I'm clearly looking it as a performance. Like, suppose if there is a scene that they're performing in front of me, Karthik will go, but Amrita is like, no, I'm right. Listen to me. So, yeah.
What do you think girls like about Karthik?
girls go gaga over the fact that he's so charming, he's so handsome, he's so hot, he's so cute, he's adorable, everything at the same time.
Okay, if you bumped into following people, what would you say to them? Ravish Kumar.
Hi.
That's what.
Say hi. Yeah, that's how I would start the conversation with.
But if you would have to say something to him,
I'm very bad at breaking ice, so I would just try to.
Ravish, you're ravishing.
Yeah, ravishing. Sorry. But I
Okay.
would just start a conversation with hi and introduce myself.
okay, and Mr. Arnab Goswami.
I like his I like your confidence, sir.
I like your confidence. We'll move on to Ram Madhvani now. Sir, what one thing most of the journalists think is patriotic to do, but it isn't?
I wish I knew because I'm not a journalist.
Okay. बड़ा आदमी बनना है तो कीचड़ में उतरना पड़ता है. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you believe in it?
I don't believe in it. I don't think you need to utrao in kuch kichad. Zero.
One thing about Kartik Aaryan you think makes him different.
He's work oriented.
He is work oriented.
He's work. It's about the work.
All right. Okay.
And when he asked me, sir, congratulations for the Emmy, sir. लेकिन sir वो जो दूसरा scene जो था, Kartik is about the work, which is great. Which is great.
Sir, how would you react to following remote control ka dhamaka?
A remote control ka dhamaka. I think that power is in the audience's hand.
Yeah.
Ek tha anchor. How would you react to it? Ek tha anchor.
How do I react to that?
Yeah.
No, there is no ek tha anchor. The anchors are there and they're very important.
Deep, yeah, sweet.
If you were to make a biopic on someone, who would that person be?
Well, I'm currently working on Jallianwala Bagh, which is not a biopic of a person, but it's a
Series.
a series about an incident, which is a bio about an incident.
Yeah.
And I'm very interested in what happened before and after it. So right now, in a way, it is a bio film. It's a bio series.
Right, of course, of course. A film genre you think you can never adapt to?
None, I want to be versatile.
Okay. When I say following...
My
which-
next film is a comedy. I want to make a comedy. Not Jallianwala Bagh, but the next one, the film, not the series.
Wow.
When I say following, which Indian film immediately comes to your mind? A film every aspiring director must watch.
In India? Indian
Yeah,
movie?
yeah.
Athir Panchali.
Oh, a performance
Athir Panchali.
A performance every aspiring female actor must watch.
Every female actor in India? Well, I'd rather just move that to Meryl Streep on every film that she does.
I agree. To begin with,
Rather than
Sophie's
India.
choice.
Yeah, exactly. Sophie's Choice begins there. And then Meryl Streep on everything that she does.
Okay, I think that was Mr. Ram Madhvani. We move on to Amrita Subhash. If you were a journalist in real life, what one question would you definitely raise?
Many questions actually, but what one question? Man-woman equality. I'll stand for it.
Anchor or reporter, what would you prefer?
Reporter
Right.
on field.
Okay, I think she's going to get it.
The best thing about Ram Madhvani, the actor, he's very subtle. He doesn't let you understand what's going on in his mind. His subtlety, I would say, as you were rightly saying about Ankita, that's actually Ram sir's subtlety I was talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
How would you react to these terms in one word or one line? Pehle channel, phir journalism.
Pehle channel, फिर journalism. So of course, yeah, this is what Ankita is. Pehle channel, फिर journalism. That's what she thinks.
Okay. Emotional and...
But Amrita thinks differently than Ankita. She thinks pehle individual, then everyone.
emotional and patriotic ending of a news report.
No, I mean, it moves me as a person, like, because when you said it's emotional and patriotic ending of a news report, I remembered Soumya from the film. I mean, and it moves me how these reporters keep themselves there and how they fight for all this to come in front of us. So, yeah, it's emotional for me. It's
Report.
Right, yeah. Okay, show must go on.
That's what I also live for. Like, the show must go on, and as I told, I live by it, and I could live it in as Ankita also. When the pill was stuck here, the show had to go on, and
I've seen
we didn't cut
real.
the.
It was
So
real.
yeah, so you don't know it.
Yeah.
Like Sir will tell you that actually that pill got stuck. It is not acting.
So
So
I've seen the press conference.
yeah, so that's it.
explained that, yeah.
So yeah, I live it. So I come from theatre, so the show must go on, whether it's live or theatre or film or everything.
What is the most common thing between Ankita and you?
Perfectionism.
Ooh.
Okay, what one thing you absolutely hate about your character in Dhamaka?
Sandhi Sadhu is the Marathi word, like opportunistic. She's opportunist. Like, while if I want something from him, then I'll be hi sir. But if I don't anything from him, hey, hi Karthik. So opportunistic. Ankita is opportunistic. So I don't like that. I don't like every interaction is opportunistic. Otherwise, if I don't have anything to gain from you, I won't look at you. That's so not me, and I don't like it at all. Such people.
One thing about Karthik Aaryan that very few people know.
He's very vulnerable. And he reacts to energy. Smallest. I mean, he might show, sometimes, he shows that he is strong, of course, because I have seen his journey from Belapur, small room to whatever he is today, and that requires a lot of strength. But many people lose their vulnerability when you have to go through ups and downs in that journey, but he has maintained it, and that's the best part of his character, I think.
All right, so I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अमृता सुभाष के जवाब जो थे
चलो
जो जवाब थे वो आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से बड़े स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट थे। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि कार्तिक अगर अमृता को
Thank
प्लीज
you. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you. Ankita always wins,
सो एनी विक्ट्री स्पीच दैट यू वुड लाइक टू
विक्ट्री स्पीच
Victory speech.
अंकिता की आवाज में अगर प्लीज आप कर सकें तो।
The real victory ये है कि धमाका को सबसे बेहतरीन TRP मिले. I want TRP. और and the victory speech is शिवजी गाड़ी निकालो. That's my last line, right? No, but I want highest TRP
she's
for
signing
Dhamaka.
off हो गया